The emissions gap is the difference between how much carbon dioxide countries have pledged to reduce their emissions and how much is required to keep global warming below 2 degrees C. The adaptation gap is a more complicated one. It's trying to assess what could be a goal we have in adaptation. What are we trying to achieve? What degree of reduced vulnerability to climate events? And then how far are we to that goal? And then there's a gap between the two. So we define it as the difference between where we are today with whatever adaptation we've been doing and where we would like to be to reduce our vulnerability to climate change. And we talk about 3 gaps here. One is money. You need money to adapt to climate change. It's quite expensive. There's a lot of money being put on the table right now, many billions of dollars, but the costs are even higher, and that's one of the things we show in this report. But there are other gaps as well that aren't all about money, that are, for example, about knowledge. Having a population that is well educated and knows about climate change impacts and how to deal with them, disseminating knowledge is a really effective way to reduce our vulnerability to climate change. And similarly, technology. Diffusing and sharing technology is also an efficient way to deal with the climate change problem, to deal with adaptation. So we look at each of those 3 gaps: funding, technology, and knowledge.